Good morning, all of you. Now, today we'll start chapter number 12, that is Heron's formula. So, what is Heron's formula? It gives you how to find out the area of a triangle when its all sides are given. You know that area of triangle formula. Area of triangle, if we have a triangle ABC with whose base is, suppose this is triangle ABC. This is the base. Suppose the base I have taken small b, and height perpendicular distance from the vertex to the base is h. Then what is the area of triangle, which you have studied in smaller classes? Half base into height. This we all know. Area of triangle is half base into height. Base I have taken b, height is h. So it will be half bh. Now suppose we have a right angle triangle. Then this is the base, this is the height. Again the area of this triangle will be half base into height. Now suppose if a triangle is given in such a way, ABC, whose height is not given to us. Whose height is not given. Only the three sides are given. Side opposite to capital A, I have taken small a. Suppose this side is small a, this side is small b, and this side is small c. So Heron, what he has done, he has given a formula of a triangle when its all sides are given. That means the height is not given to us. So he gave a formula for finding out area of triangle when all its sides are given. So Heron was born in about 10 AD in Egypt, and his work on mathematics and other subjects are considered to be the most important works, and his work generally deals with the problems on mensuration. Mensuration means area of triangle, rectangle, surface area of cone, sphere. So his works basically deal on the problems based on mensuration, and he derived a famous formula for the area of triangle in terms of its three sides. So what does the formula says that? It says that area of triangle ABC. Suppose we have to find the area of this triangle ABC whose sides are given. AB length, BC length and CA. So first the formula I will write, the area of triangle formula is, first we will write the under root. Formula is under root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A, B, C represent the three sides of the triangle which will be given to you, and this S stands for semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. You know the formula for perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Semi means half. So what is the value of S? Perimeter is A plus B plus C. This is the perimeter. Semi means you have to take half of that. 0.2. So this is the formula. First we will find out the value of S, because A, B, C will be given to you. A plus B plus C divided by 2. What will come? The value of S, semi-perimeter. After finding out the value of semi-perimeter, you will put those values in this formula. Under root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this is the formula for Heron's, known as Heron's formula for finding out area of triangle. Now based on this, I will tell you one question how to do.